It's eBay parcel time. Yesterday what I got in the mail was 15 of these. "5mm DC connectors with screw down terminals. Then we've got their polarities marked like so. 15 males and 15 females. Now what would you possibly want all of them for? For the bike packs, so I don't have to charge them one at a time. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount on the top of each of these batteries, well, modules. Batteries are the total thing, modules are packs of cells, cells are individuals. I'm going to mount one of these on top of each of them. Like so. Instead of this funny looking rig that I have been using for charging, with all the bullet connectors, which we don't have anymore, because they cause too much voltage drop, we'll just have a rig with all the males on it. Either connected to one of these LiPo chargers or something better. I've got an idea with a 5V supply off a ATX computer power supply. I just need to work out some kind of voltage regulation on the output side, but that'll happen. It'll be as simple as plugging in 13 of these, which will all be hard on there, pressing charge on the charger, or connecting up the charging rig to whatever charger we choose, and away we go. Now, because they're only fairly light gauge, I'm not going to be pushing a whole lot of current through them, but if I use one of these or buy like a 200 watt LiPo charger, I'm still not going to have more than 16 odd amps. 16 amps would be alright. It'd make the job a bit quicker and still not be hard on the battery packs. Yeah, thank eBay for that one. Alright, thanks for watching and subscribing. If you like these kinds of videos, smack the like button and smack the subscribe button. We'll see you again next time. Hopefully next time you see the bike pack, we'll have a different charging setup, because this is slow. It is pushing a whole 5 amps in. Just got to push I think the first two in, I've done these two in the pack, but the first two took 12.5 amp hour. So yeah, it's still 2.5 hours a pack, and that's a bit slow for my liking. I wouldn't mind the whole pack be charged in, say, 6 hours. That'd be fine. I'd be happy with that, and be able to walk away and just let it do its thing. So that's the plan. Alright, thanks for watching.